As we head into winter, do you want to keep that tropical look in your garden? Well, you can with two different palms we're going to show you. The first one is Trachycarpus fortunei. This palm is hardy to minus 20 degrees centigrade. So you can grow this anywhere in the UK. I've seen huge one of these growing in Scotland, so they will grow anywhere in the UK, as I said. What they like is a nice sunny position, well-drained soil. You can containerize them as well. They don't mind being grown in pots. In fact, they're quite happy to be root bound, but if you grow them in the garden, grow them somewhere in an open, sunny position, nicely well drained, and year on year they'll get bigger and bigger, and eventually the leaves can get this size and they'll even flower for you. The second palm we have for you today is Camerops humilis. This one is hardy down to minus 10 degrees centigrade. It's called the Mediterranean fan palm, but it is that hardy. Just like the Trachycarpus fortunei, if you're going to plant it in the garden, it wants a lovely open sunny spot, well-drained soil. It'll get bigger and bigger year on year. It'll even produce little pups at the base. It'll flower for you in time as well. And of course, you can grow it in a container if you're in very, very, very cold areas. And either of these palms, if you'd love either of them, are available from us here at YouGarden.